Oh yeah, we're in the Jeep, enjoying the day, enjoying nature, enjoying the sound. Listen to this. With our bikes in the back, bunch of nature boys enjoying the ride. Woo! Doesn't get better than this. Oh no.
Tamiami Trail, ladies and gentlemen.
Where are we at?
Alligator Alley. We're heading down Tamiami Trail.
Love it. Contigo la moto.
Everybody's enjoying a piece of it.
Nice little
That's what
horse
it's all
turbo
about.
in the front.
Our river of grass on both sides. That's our river of grass right there. As far as the eye can see. Look at the other side over there.
Why we gotta be grateful. Jehovah gives us this on a day-to-day basis. It's a matter of people that don't even notice it. They don't even appreciate this kind of stuff. Thankfully, aquí estamos en Shark Valley, enjoying the Jeep with Mr. Live 305. Our bikes in nature. Could not ask for anything better than this. This is a place that nature speaks for itself. I don't have to say anything. Look at the alligator gar, the water. We're gonna have a great day here at Shark Valley, and we are going to be riding pretty soon the trail. So many cool places. The Everglades. We'll be watching alligators. We're a ranger program. And we're here with Ranger
What's the
Robert.
difference between a gator and a croc?
Something for you guys to find out. Comment below.
Like for nature.
On nature watching, see? That'll just keep spinning.
You need the noise from where you go.
Big gator back there. Little gator. Beautiful bike ride through Everglades, river of grass. People biking, people riding their bikes. Just a beautiful time. Enjoying. So. You heard the little guys? We're here at the loop, up to the center tower
Hey, Shark Valley.
Shark Valley. It's about what, 5-6 miles to get here?
6.84 so far.
6.84 miles, which is basically what will it take to go back. But what a view. What a view. And as I was telling Robert, no better way to connect with nature than something like this. Look at this. Look at this panorama. See this part of the Everglades? Look at this. Unfortunately, they did not let us go with our bikes up here.
Can't walk the bike.
Or walk the bikes. You have to leave them outside, which I can see some people want to be irresponsible. It's something that they shouldn't, but for the most part, it was really nice, beautiful. Strong wind, I apologize, but look at this view. I remember coming here as a kid in field trips, coming here at different times of my life. Always a special place. Well, we end this journey with, what is it, 11 miles? About 11 miles round
14
trip?
miles.
14-mile round trip.
Exactly.
We had a great time, enjoyed our bikes, went on the loop, and now we're back, gonna eat a little something in the car and call it a day. Thank you for joining us on this journey of the Everglades Shark Valley.